Okay, the second activity I'll be working on with Henry is putting away the silverware. And this is something we haven't taped before, so we'll see how it goes, but he's done it a lot. When the dishwasher is done, that's one of his jobs. And so the pattern will be, I will hand him the silverware and he will put it away in the silverware drawer in the correct spot. And he's familiar with that role, so I think he feels a level of competency with that. So what I'm going to try to do is throw a few challenges in there. In the past I've given him things that he's not sure where to put, like a larger knife or maybe like some tongs or something, but this time maybe I'll hand him a plate or I don't know, a mug. We'll see how he reacts to that. He'll probably just laugh. If he feels or gets distracted, which can happen, it's the kitchen, there's a lot going on, so I'll try to just keep the proximity close, and if that doesn't work, then maybe hand over hand at that point. We'll see.
Smack him.
Or I'll just beat him. So we'll see if we get to that point. All right.
So I think this activity went pretty well because Henry was into it and he knows his role, and he did a lot of referencing me if he was putting the utensil in the right spot, etc. So take a look.
Sharp knife.
Sharp.
Ooh, careful. The sharp ones go. No chopsticks. Baby spoon.
You ready?
Try to keep the whole steady.
You ready? You ready?
Yeah. Baby fork.
Not friendly.
Sharp knife. Careful! Sharp ones go up there. That was wrong. Big fork. Big spoon. Little baby. Big. Sharp knife. Make sure you grab by the handle. Okay. Our pattern.
No.
No? Okay. Oh, we're not done yet. Baby fork. Good job. Careful.
No.
No? What? I know. Why don't you put it with the baby spoons? tell which one's the big one. Thank you. Okay.
Bye.
Alright, I'm going to get Henry.
Okay, the second
Yeah,
time
I
around
need
was a
some
little
help.
more difficult because Henry was not into it. I had to bring him in, but he got used to it and enjoyed it.
Henry,
I think,
come here.
at the end. And we even had a little conversation about emotions, and we also, he made a declarative statement somewhere along the line here, so
Big screen.
take a look.
Stuck to your nose? Wait! Surprisingly, my nose is not big enough. Oh, that one's for here. Be careful how you grab that. I think we're putting those up here now.
The straw.
Okay, wait a minute. You can have some juice after that. Let's finish. Good job. Careful. Right here. Actually, maybe better right here. Ice cream scoops.
Ice cream penguin.
Where's that one go?
The penguin.
He looks pretty happy to me. He's eating ice cream.
It's sad.
No, he's happy.
It's sad.
Does he look sad? Let me see. No, I think he's just not making a face.
Oh, it's so sad. It's so sad.
Sad as we're out of ice cream. Careful when you grab the knife, okay? That's a hard one. The last. All done. Thank you.
I thought I'd show you in this little clip how Henry's sister can be a bit of a distraction.
Closed. Ah!
Push it closed. Bye. Say bye-bye.